Hello and welcome to Custom PBR Substance Packs. I'm Neil from Living Arts and I'll be running through using the custom substances in our SciFi Panels Volume 1 pack. This pack has been designed for use in Unity 4 with the Marmoset SkyShop shaders. The same substances have also been tested with Unity 5 Beta using SkyShop. Additionally, we have also included in the package a set of Unity 5 Beta versions of the same substances to work with the new Unity PBR standard shaders. These shaders work automatically with both the metallic roughness and specular glossiness workflows. We have zipped the substances in the custom package to avoid any conflicts when importing the package to Unity 4. Should you wish to use the Unity 5 Beta versions, simply unzip them to your Unity 5 Beta project and they should work out of the box. SkyShop is not required for these Unity 5 standard shader substances to function in Unity 5 Beta. Now onto SkyShop substances in Unity 4. It's best to ensure SkyShop is installed to your Unity project prior to importing the custom package. This will avoid the need to set up each substance manually. Once you have SkyShop installed, I've previously done this here, go to Edit, Project Settings, this is off screen, Player, and change your color space to linear. Next, open up your Marmoset folder and open the scene called Cube Probe Demo, which I've already done here, and then just add a cube into your project. Next, we'll open up the custom package, and you can see here the zipped Unity 5 shaders. And we go straight into the SkyShop folder here. Just select any substance and drag onto your cube. You'll note that these substances import by default to Unity as 512 by 512 resolution and in compressed format. These substances, I've designed them to support up to 2048 at their best resolution, and if you want even higher quality you can switch to the raw format. Just click Apply and you'll notice that the substance will turn a blue or green color, like so. This is the substance regenerating the outputs. Right, once that's done, we can go in and start customizing our substance. These substances are designed to work with the Marmoset Self-Illumine Bumped Specular IBL shader and also the standard Bumped Specular IBL, and this is determined by the type of panel. This one has a emissive output, hence the self-illumine shader. If you happen to import the custom SciFi pack prior to installing SkyShop, you will need to set the shaders up manually, then adjust the specular intensity for each substance you're using, and also the specular sharpness slider needs to be to the far right. You'll note that each substance contains a letter in their name. The C is for ceiling, F for floor, T for triangular panels, and W for wall. However, some of these are interchangeable. All the substances in this pack are fully customizable. To customize, we have exposed numerous parameters for each substance via the Unity Inspector. The number of parameters available is determined by the style of panel. The parameters use a common theme to make it easier to create a consistent style across the pack. And you can see that where each one has a dirt slider, a wear slider, base and main, and then the following parameters are determined by the panel design. In the material drop down we have numerous presets of different metals. There's a metal custom, there's also plastic and paint materials. With these parameters you can come up with completely unique looks and colours. So if we go in here and just change the main paint colour to a steel, that'll then update in real time. We can then add some wear to this and some dirt, and you'll notice that the wear affected the painted parts of the panel, so it reveals the metal underneath. The emissive colour can be changed in this section here. Each substance comes with 2 Decal Mask inputs, and this is for adding more interest to your panels and customization. in the pack we've included some sample masks for you to get started with, but you can use your own image editor just to create PNG format grayscale masks at 2048 by 2048 format. This will achieve the highest resolution for you. These size maps will then be rescaled depending on what size you have in your target width and height. So we'll grab the appropriate decals for this panel, which is this one here. You will then see it generate onto your panel. I'll just grab a different one here for the second. And you'll notice that these decals are fully affected by the wear and dirt settings, and they will recalculate in real time. You can also change the colours to whichever you like. If you prefer to use traditional bitmaps for your textures, you can use these substances as mini texture generators by downloading the free Substance Player app from the Algorithmic website. Once you open Substance Player, open your substance, and you'll see that all the parameters that are available in Unity are also available in Substance Player, including your resolution up the top here, your dirt and wear sliders, as well as all your parameters here and your selections for materials. For the decal masks, you have to input a mask in each field for these, otherwise the Substance Player won't interpret it correctly. So for this, we can go ahead and choose vol1, and for the second one, if we don't choose to have anything, I've included a plain black mask in the pack. Once you've adjusted your settings to your liking, we can then simply go export as bitmap and choose your outputs. Also be aware that when the specular map is produced, it will also contain the glossiness map inside automatically. I hope you enjoy using the custom pack, and thank you for listening.